We have the picture and we've got some ideas from you about what that might mean. I love what you've put for your comments. You put, I think this image represents the strength of literature.
We have to remember that our lungs are our instrument, and this is how we project our voice forward so that we can be heard. And there are three parts of this projection: audibility, intelligibility, and mental projection.
One final exercise to make sure our bodies are really energized and ready to serve us in our acting. It's called rubber chicken. So we go around each of our 4 limbs, counting down from 8, and the counting gets progressively smaller each time. I'll show you and then we'll do it together, okay?
We're going to have a look at 2 verses of this poem. So what I'd like you to think about is we talked before about mighty words, mighty language. Which are the bits of this poem that for you are particularly mighty?
So we're going to practice our articulation in a fun way, and you may have heard of tongue twisters. And my absolute favourite tongue twister is Peter Piper. Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, a peck of pickled pepper, Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? And saying every part of every syllable is important.
Bird from the Quetzal bird is the bird from the Mayas, famous bird with which the Indians used to decorate the hat for the king or the chief.
I love the bit where it says some words are messengers that come from far away. Because I think my words are coming hundreds of miles to you, and you're coming to me.
I mentioned earlier that when acting, one of the most important things we have to do is conveying our emotions, and we can do this through our tone of voice and our facial expressions. So I'm going to illustrate this through The Gruffalo, which is one of my favourite books, and I want you guys to tell me what it is that I'm doing that conveys my emotions. Silly old snake, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back. Oh help, oh no, it's the Gruffalo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, rubber chicken.
In the next 10 minutes, I think we might be able to perhaps learn 2 of these verses. To help you learn something, it's a good idea to come up with a gesture or some movement to help you learn. What could we do as a gesture to show a messenger? Words. Birds. That rhyme. Books. And spring. And I bet any one of us could reel off the words to about 60 songs, probably more, 100 songs, off by heart. Not because we've ever sat down to learn them, but just because we've heard them over and over again.
Audibility involves taking a big deep breath in so that we can sustain the words we want to say.
1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna miss out number 3. And that means no singing. Don't sing number 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1.